Run. I run in the park. Jump. She jumps over a puddle. Dance. They dance to music. Draw. He draws a picture. Climb. I climb the tree. Sleep. She sleeps peacefully. Cry. He cries softly. Swim. They swim in the lake. Ride. I ride my bicycle. Skip. She skips down the road. Hop. The boy hops like a frog. Sing. I sing a happy song. Throw. He throws the ball. Catch. She catches the balloon. Push. I push the swing. Pull. He pulls the wagon. Slide. She slides down the slide. Shout. I shout loudly. Look. He looks out the window. Build. We build a sandcastle. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe.